Hello guys, once again I welcome you back. So today I really want to make a quick video and I make some updates on the channel. I really thank those that are really subscribing, those that are watching. You guys, I appreciate you so much. So today I'm going to be introducing. Actually, I'm going to be talking about these trading sessions. But I'm going to start with the Asian session. So we are going to see the significance of the Asian session as we plan our trades. So, and for these examples, actually in the coming episodes, majorly we are going to be using either gold USD, Euro USD, or GBP USD. They're the ones that we are going to be using the most, hopefully. You get? So, uh, uh, now, there are two concepts that I want to talk about. Apparently, normally you're going to see that the Asian session is a consolidating session, but regardless, let me show you this simple trick. Is that uh, normally the Asian session will not be moving a lot. We get short moves, so there is low volume during the Asian session. You get, and now uh, when the Asian session closes, you get, and then later on London comes in, we start seeing a lot of momentum, and sometimes we get more momentum during the London session. You get the New York session. So we want to get in. We really want to be trading when there are impulse moves. You get these moves. You get that these are the best times to trade. So that's which means these moments when the market is moving pretty slow, they are so important. You get? So you're going to find that in this strategy or in this approach, you're going to find that timing is really important. You get the importance of time, more so in Forex. You get? Apart from synthetic indices, but in Forex, timing is really key. You get? So now when it comes to the now for the Asian session, personally, I really like to determine uh, the yesterday's highs and lows. You get? Now, for me, whenever the Asian session is going on, you get, I really look at it properly and I study it. How is it relating to yesterday's high or low? You get? Now you can see that yesterday we had this high over here. You get? We have that point up there. You get? And then we have yesterday's low, which is here. You get? So you can see that today the market was moving up, you get? But then ask yourself, where is it going? You get? Where is it going? Now let's come here on trading view. It's the same asset, it is gold, you get? Now you can see that it was moving up during the Asian session, the market was going up. But then what do we have up? You have to ask yourself, we have an order block over here, you get? We have an order block over there, you get? So now which means we are returning to the order block. You get? Now, this is going to help you as you're planning to trade during the London session. You get? As you plan to trade during the London session. You get? Because here during the Asian session, they've showed us that they are returning to this order block. So here you'd be planning to trade down. You get to sell. And actually you only sell after getting confirmations. You get? After getting confirmations. Now, let me give you a simple trick. If at all you're going to use this strategy, when you mark up the end of the Asian session, you get? You wait for 45 minutes. You get? You wait for more 45 minutes. Always, you're going to find that the market, for instance, the next 45 minutes, they bought, yet they wanted to sell. In most cases, in those 45 minutes, they are going to be making a wrong move. You get? In most cases, you get? They're going to be making a wrong move. And now, the next thing, by the way, in the 45 minutes after the Asian session, what are we mostly interested in? You get? What are you mostly interested in? This strategy is going to work when they move out of the Asian session. You get? Now you can see that today they moved out of the Asian session. Normally they take the opposite move after that move. You get? Now here they moved out, and then we tapped properly into the order block. You get? We tapped properly into the order block because now we can see Now, okay, we had an order block plus a supply, an area of supply within the order block. Let me come here on TradingView and I show it to you. We had this order block, this big impulse candle. It is the order block, but within we had an area of supply. You get? Because I told you guys, order blocks, these are special supply and demand zones. So which means order blocks are types of supply and demand. You get? So which means yeah, we ended the Asian session, we moved into, you get, we broke out of the Asian session and then we tapped into this area of supply within our order block. So here we would take entries to target this low down here. You get? Now, you're going to find that whenever, after 45 minutes, whenever the market does not break out of the Asian session, that is a very, very risky move. Like just like yesterday, you get? We want to trade when the market has broken out of the Asian consolidation. You get? The Asian consolidation. It's just right here. We moved like that during the Asian session. In the next 45 minutes, we didn't break out. You get? So that's why it wasn't valid for us to trade. So what did they do? They created liquidity both up and down. Now, these are more or less, uh, sometimes we call them equal highs, but we broke above these highs, and now we got a reversal here above this liquidity up. Now here you would take entries. You get? Here you do take selling entries. I told you we trade when we break out of the Asian consolidation. You get? We swept up these highs here. Now here, this is classic area of resistance. Many people are looking at this area as an area to sell. You get? That's why they come and sweep them up and then they reverse the market. You get? They reverse the market here. So which means the best. Actually, now, if at all we don't break out, which means most of the time London is going to be a dead session. That's when you wait for the New York session. You get? So you guys, there's a lot by that I'm going to bring in the nearby future, because these trading sessions, all for me, all these highlighted times, they're really significant. You get? So which means you come on the chart during a particular time, you get, to target a particular move. You get? So here yesterday, London was a dead session, so we would wait for New York because we had not broken out of the Asian consolidation. Why? By the why do we normally stay away? You get? I told you. Actually, let me just end on this. You get? I told you that ideally a consolidation is a point of indecision. You get? So if at all we expect the market to consolidate during the Asian session and then we don't leave this area, so which means here the market is balanced. You get? The market is balanced here in this zone. You get? So we want to break out and then study the market. Are we selling or are we breaking out, let's say, and we are continuing to buy? Like, we really need to find where the market is really interested in going. But if at all the market fails to do any of those to show us direction, and then we continue to remain in this consolidation, it means even in London, we are still in a point of indecision. You get? So if at all they choose to break up, you get, and then they make a reversal up, you get, then we are going to sell. You get? Or if at all they do this, for instance, if at all they break down and then they make a reversal here, it means we are going to buy. You get? So I really think that now you can see the significance of this Asian session. But this is just the introduction. I hope to make more content on that. So you guys, let me make some brief updates. You guys, I do not share trading signals. You get? You guys, let me tell you, most people want signals. I trust me, if at all I really wanted to take your money, I would just say $20, let's say, for signals. That's what most people charge. And I get like 1,000 of you guys, and that's a lot of money. But I do not do signals. I only teach. You get? I only teach. Now, good enough, there are those of you that have requested me to do classes. I'm hoping to start a boot camp. Um, uh, it will be next week. It will be next week. I'm going to find out the date. Today is I like giving out dates. Today is 27th of today is 27th of April. So I hope to actually I'm going to start a boot camp, forex classes on 3rd of May 2023. You get? I'm going to run a class. It will be for 7 days. 7 days. I'm going to teach everything. But mainly I'm going to be teaching price action, though I'll teach some content in BTMM because uh, uh, actually I'm going to teach SMC and BTMM, but more focus on SMC. I'll just take like 2 days for BTMM, and for BTMM that's when I talk about indicators. So I don't do signals, I only teach when I organize classes. And you can, for details on that, you can text me on Telegram, and then I see how many of you. But so far I have some people who are interested. So the fee is going to be $120. That is going to be the fee for 7 days. And I teach you everything that I know in SMC plus some in BTMM. You get? So I like BTMM, but I don't really use it so much. But I really like the things over there. And they also helped me. Actually, uh, you guys that are going to join that mentorship class, you're going to really see that uh, the concepts the concepts in BTMM can help you sometimes to understand more the concepts in SMC. In my opinion, it depends on how you've used it. You get? But anyways, for now, I really request that you guys keep on subscribing, keep being part of this community. I hope to do a lot. I'm trying to see how I can set up to start holding live trades when I like seeing how I can do live trading. And there's a lot that I want to really bring, but I hope I will be updating you guys. But it's one of the things I want to see whether I'll be holding Discord over or YouTube live. But anyway, I'm going to find a way of how I'll be doing live trading sessions so that you guys can really watch how I do it. But all that is in the process. So you guys, sometimes I really take long to upload. I apologize. I just request you guys to keep texting me on Telegram. By the way, uh, there I really get motivated to come and do content. But otherwise, sometimes by the you guys, the time that I take to do this video, sometimes it's a lot. So, but I appreciate you guys for being around, and I pray that God continues to bless you. Peace.